going to, first off, with the game we got now, you know, we're designing it, but right now the characters are too close. It's too easy. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go into top view, wireframe mode, and I'm going to select all of this stuff. Back in the front view, zoom out a little bit, grab on the x-axis and move all that stuff to about there. Going to scale up our background image some, zoom in a little bit here, go back into textured mode now so we can see how the background looks, move it accordingly. Still need to create a better background than that. Okay, move level complete up and scale it up. Okay, now our tux is probably not going to shoot far enough. Let's have a look. Yeah, so he's not shooting far enough. And as levels get harder, we can move these guys further away. But right now, choose the empty here and go to where we have shoot tux. And we'll turn the velocity here up. Let's try 25. Oops. Not 225, 25. Okay, let's make sure that's not too much, which it is. We'll change that to 20. It was at 15. That's better. It's getting us to about where our bad guys are. Okay. Now also, last time we were trying to work on a sound that we would hear when the bad guy dies. And I just think the problem here on the death of him is that since we're ending the object, the sound doesn't play through, even though it still generates the leaves that it's supposed to. So let's remove the sound from him. And we also had added that to our character here, trying to get it to work, but we were ending that object as well. So we'll remove that there. I don't know if we added to this one. No, we didn't bother at this point. What I am going to do is go to our third layer here where we have our feather here. I'm going to shift D to clone that, and what I'm going to do is add an always. We're going to connect that to a sound. Sound. Be sure to connect that. Click here to add a sound we've already added. We'll use the Death 1 OG. And I'm also going to turn the volume up on this and the pitch up an octave because it's just my voice going ow or something, so we want it a little higher pitched. And let's rename this object. Right now it's feather1.png.001. We'll say death sound. Oops. Won't let the name be that long. So we'll just say feather1 death sound. There we go. So that's the name of that object now. So what I'm going to do now is go back over here to our bad guy, and where we have it creating the feathers here, all these edit objects, I'm going to choose one of them, and I'm going to change it from just feather1 PNG to feather1.deathSound. So now when he dies, he'll generate those feathers, but one of them will create a sound. So let's see how that works. There we go. So let's create a few more of these. Shift D. This is we've done in the past, just to test it out a few times. Batarang maybe. We're doing good. So we moved our guys over and fixed the little sound glitch we had earlier. And that's it for this video. We'll be adding some more stuff here in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.